Are you looking forward to make transfers in FIFA World Cup Fantasy? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily make a transfer on FIFA World Cup Fantasy. First thing first, move into the official website play.fifa.com. In this page, make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once logged in, click on this 3 horizontal line at the top right. Head over to FIFA World Cup Fantasy. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in this page, head over to My Team. Once again, wait for a while for it to load. It will show you your team formation. In order for you to make a transfer, click on Make Transfer at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, you have to select the person that you want to change. Once selected, click on Transfer Out. The team will then show you a list of available replacement players that feature budget and squad restrictions. Select the new player you want to bring in and confirm the transfer. Once you're happy with your changes, tap on Save Team or Confirm Transfers. Remember that confirmed transfer usually cannot be reversed, so double check before saving. Keep an eye on the transfer deadline shown in the game. FIFA World Cup Fantasy gives a limited number of free transfers each round, and any extra transfer may result in a points deduction. And that's it for today. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.